16 बैतें हुई हैं पिछले साल से लेके सितंबर तक. Don't give me कि alhamdulillah. Hear me out first. Out of these 16 converts, there are 6 boys, 8 girls. And they were not impressed by your teaching of Ahmadiyyat or Islam. They were not impressed by your slogan, love for all, hatred for none. They were not impressed that they have seen your successful Jalsa Salana or your contribution humanity first. They were converted because they wanted to marry each other. ये जो बातें हुई, ये शादी के लिए हुई है. मुझे पता है. मैं तो चेहरों पे पढ़ लेता हूँ. और ये बच्चे समझते हैं कि सानू पता नहीं लगना. मुझे कॉल आती है, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, like to speak to the Imam. मैं कह speaking. Oh, I'm very much interested in Ahmadiyyat Islam. All right. What is the level of your understanding? Why are you interested in religion? Oh, because I came to your Jalsa and I was really very impressed and the services you do and all that. तो जब वो मुझे बेवकूफ बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं तो मैं एक ही सवाल करता हूँ. मैं कहता हूँ who is the girl? तो वो बड़े घबराते हैं. कहते हैं what do you mean? और मैं कहा कमला ना बाण. मैं कहता हूँ who is the girl you want to marry? तो 2-3 फिक्रों के बाद वो मान जाते हैं कि हाँ बात तो यही है. बात तो सच है मगर बात है रुसवाई की. ये कर रहे हैं बच्चे और बच्चियां भी. And I tell you one more observation. वो कहते हैं I've been in this business for a very long time. I have seen the boys converting to Ahmadiyyat for marriage. I have seen the girls converted to Ahmadiyyat to get married. They are not around. They disappear. The boys who convert to Ahmadiyyat for 1 year, they are the best Ahmadis. Much better than all of us. हर जुमे पे, हर मीटिंग ते चंदा पहला लेके आंदे ने. 1 year, right? 1 साल के लिए न्यू कन्वर्ट अहमदी जो बॉय है, 1 साल से पहले हम उसकी शादी नहीं होने देते. उसको पता होता है 1 साल वो मेरे और आप सबसे बेहतरीन अहमदी होता है. He comes and tells you, you know, I heard Huzur said this. Marabi Sahib, here is my chanda for Khudam, this is my chanda Am, and this is my chanda this. When is the next Ijtima? For 1 year, he is the best Ahmadi from much better than you and I. 1 year, he marries, disappears. A family who is very active in the Jamaat, very close to Jamaat. Suddenly, their boy stands up, brings the girl home, tells the parents, okay, this is, I'm just going to make up a name. This is Elizabeth. She's a very nice young lady, and we like each other. We are very compatible, and I want to marry her. So mom and dad, oh, अच्छा, इसने बात कर ली है? Has she been converted? No, mom, I don't want her to convert. If she wants to convert, she'll convert later on, and that later on never comes. So I'm not just talking to you something from the books or watching a video or something. I am talking to you based on my experience, which I meet the family, I talk to them, I counsel them, and then I cry for them. मैं जो बातें आपसे करूँगा ना, मैं नाम नहीं लूँगा, लेकिन ये मेरे तजुर्बात हैं जिससे मैं गुजरा हूँ और गुजर रहा हूँ. एक वालदा ने मुझे कॉल की. The mother called me and she was crying that my daughter, she says, I'm no longer Ahmadi. That's where it begins. She said, you know, my daughter was all perfectly fine. She was part of this class, she was part of that class. And suddenly one day she woke up and she said, I don't believe in God. And she said that I want to marry this boy and I don't care whether he becomes Ahmadi or not. So either you be part of this wedding or either I'm leaving. इसलिए अगर आप में से कोई एक भी ये समझता है, कोई एक भी, if any one of you think कि this cannot happen to you, you better start thinking again. क्योंकि मैं ऐसे बाज अहमदियों की बात नहीं कर रहा जो बाज कल सुस्त होते हैं या नहीं आते जमात में या उनको कुछ और मसला होता है. तो हम समझते हैं perhaps because they are not active in the jamaat, so they may be, facing this difficulty. That is not the case. I am talking about the parents who are very well connected, the parents on their level. Or at least one of them is very well connected.